back to our channel. I'm Colleen and this is Our Blessed Life. And here's Sophie. We have a lot going on today, so come along and join us. Today we're starting our Gather Round Christmas unit study. So this is the first one we've ever used, and so we're excited to start using it.
Tillingham had been flung to the breeze during a former period of prosperity when its possessor was being paid $30 per week. Now when the income was shrunk to $20, the letter of Dillingham looked blurred.
So for our unit study this morning, we added this book, The Gift of the Magi by O. Henry. I wanted to do some books that would work for Katie as well as Sophie, and Katie had never read this one and she really enjoyed it.
So right now we are on our way to Sophie's therapy. Sophie, who are we going to go see?
Miss Molly.
So now Sophie's at speech therapy. She has a really awesome speech therapist, and they're doing a craft while they work on articulation exercises. And then after that, they're going to work on some oral motor exercises. It's really hard for Sophie because she really doesn't have a lot of strength in her mouth. She's got low tone pretty much globally. But she has made a whole lot of progress in speech therapy, and we're very thankful to our speech therapist. And she does watch our videos, so we just wanted to say, we love you, Marley.
She is?
Yeah, he has a backpack.
Oh, so that's her backpack?
Yeah.
How old is she?
10 old.
10 years old?
Yeah, it's her birthday.
It is her birthday?
And that's
Oh, when it's also astronaut's birthday?
yeah, all my babies have birthday.
Yeah.
On the same day? Wow.
So they were all born on the same day?
Yeah.
Wow.
So we finished school. We finished Sophie's school this morning, and then we went to therapy. And Katie finished her math while we were at therapy, and then we met Gary for lunch. We're kind of finishing up first semester, so we don't really have full days of school left this last 2 weeks before Christmas. So we met Gary for lunch at a little Japanese hibachi, like a fast food, one of those places. And then Katie and I decided to go Christmas shopping, so we're looking for a few things for Gary. And Sophie went home with Gary. We were hoping she'd take a nap, but we don't think that's gonna happen.
She won't ever take naps anymore.
Not much anymore. Okay, so we are back. We've been doing a little bit of Christmas shopping. We've been trying to finish up Sophie as well as Gary. So Gary took Sophie back home. We met him for lunch. I had the girls after therapy. We met him for lunch, and then Gary took Sophie back home so she could rest a little bit. And so school is done for today, and now we're getting ready to take Katie to dance. So after dance, we're gonna go see some lights, and we'll let you see that with us. I got this cute little shirt for Sophie while we were out. It's got like a little unicorn, and it says, making today extra magical. And we also found our keepsake ornament that we collect every year. It's the Madame Alexander, and this year it was Clara from the Nutcracker, so we thought that was really sweet. We thought, buckle up. Time to go. I'm gonna go get Katie.
I am Mouse Sophie.
You are Mouse Sophie. Mouse Sophie's going to go get sister.
Yeah.
Where's Katie?
At ranch. We're going for a way to go inside.
Yeah, let's do that. Christmas pajamas on. Do you have your blankie too?
Yeah.
And she has a cake pop. And where's your hot chocolate?
She has it. Well, Katie's got it.
So we've got Sophie's hot chocolate and her Christmas pajamas. And okay, Sophie, you're kind of destroying your cake pop. Katie, help her, babe.
Here, baby, I'll hold it for you just for right now.
We're trying to buckle. So we went to Chipotle to eat supper, and then we went to go get some coffees. Caramel brulee lattes, of course, from Starbucks, and some hot chocolate for Sophie. For some reason, we can't get her seatbelt buckle. There we go.
Got it.
And everybody's got their blankets. Where's yours, Katie?
Mine is right here.
We've got our blankets. Sophie's got her cake pop. Her mouse ears, for some reason. We still have the mouse ears. And we're ready to go see the lights. You ready, Sophie?
Yeah.
You going to see the lights? Yeah, let's go. How's the cake pop, Soph? Yeah? Yummy?
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment
the
of
cannon.
peace and love and happiness. We come
The
together
fire.
to
Do
celebrate.
it.
Yes, every
Do it.
time the snow is
Get on my present.
Is he
He
shooting
made a
out of the cannon?
present. Yeah.
Give me present out there.
cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.